Good afternoon, everyone. Namaste. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today as part of the inspiring series Never Give Up, presented by Bharat TV and Udyoksha University. Hi, I am Dr. Somali Swanakar, an educator, researcher, freelancer, and lifelong learner who believes that the pursuit of knowledge never ends, it only evolves. I hold a PhD degree in management from Mass University and I'm currently serving as a postdoctoral fellowship with Eudoxia University. My academic journey has always been driven by curiosity and passion for excellence. Along the way, I have also completed a certificate course in strategic management from IIM Visakhapatnam, and I presently pursuing an advanced leadership program from the prestigious institution IIM Visakhapatnam. And also I am doing PDF from Eudoxia University. My academic journey has always been driven. Through my academic and professional journey, I have published several research papers and journals articles and have been honored with numerous national and international awards. Yet the greatest reward for me is the ability to continue learning, to share knowledge, and to inspire others to do the same. For me, education is not merely a career, it is also lifelong mission to share knowledge and to inspire others to do the same. For me, education is very important to each and every person. My success story, how I achieved my success. Success for me has never been about fame or recognition. It has been about perseverance, self discipline, and an unwavering belief in the power of learning. From the early days as a student to earning my PhD in management and now serving as a postdoctorate fellow, I have realized that success is not a single destination. It is a journey of growth, reflection, and resilience. When I look back, I remember moments of struggle, times when the path seemed uncertain, but I never allowed challenges to stop me. Instead, I turned them into opportunities for learning. I learned to believe that every setback holds a lesson, and every lesson takes us closer to our goals. I often rewind myself till I feel my knowledge is very less. I don't know anything. This humility has been my driving force. It keeps me grounded, motivated, and hungry to learn more. Two people have been my strongest source of inspiration. My mentor, Dr. Shama Hussain, whose wisdom and guidance have saved my academic path, and my husband, Mr. Rakesh Swarnakar, a marine engineer, whose support and constant encouragement has been the foundation of my success. Their faith in me gives me the strength to continue this journey of purpose and growth. Over time, I have realized that success is not about how much we achieve, but about how many lives we touch through our work. Every publication, every award, and every achievement I have received is not just a personal milestone. It's a step forward uh, toward creating a greater impact through knowledge. My association with Eudoxia University USA has been one of the most enriching and fulfilled experience of my professional life. Under the remarkable leadership of Dr. Jayashree and Dr. Rituraj and whole Eudoxia team has become a global symbol of education, innovation, and academic excellence. Eudoxia University has provided me with an extraordinary platform to connect with scholars, educators, and researchers from around the world. The institution not only encourages academic growth but also fosters value such as collaboration, ethics, and intellectual curiosity. Through Eudoxia, I have participated in various conferences and research collaboration that have been broadened my understanding of global education. The exposure I have received here has been truly transformative, motivating me to keep beyond boundaries and contribute meaningfully to the academic world. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Jayashree and Dr. Rituraj Sahya who is our dean, for his visionary leadership, encouragement, and continuous efforts in empowering educators and researchers globally. Eduxia is not an institution, it is a family that nurtures innovation and inspires excellence. My journey with Eudoxia has reaffirmed my belief that education is the most powerful tool we have. It connects, uplifts, and transforms life. And I conclude with this message. As I stand before you today, I want to share a message that comes from my heart. Never give up. Whatever challenges you face, never give up. Remember that they are part of your story, not the end of it. Keep learning, keep believing, and moving forward. Education is the most powerful form of strength. It shapes your future and empowers those around you. I sincerely thank Dr. Jayashree and once again Dr. Rituraj Saikia and Dr. Pratisha ma'am for giving me this opportunity. And also Eudoxia University to sharing my wonderful journey of my career. Uh, Let us all continue to learn and inspire others because the journey of knowledge never ends. Thank you.